In today's video, I'm going to teach you what clients see on a request. We're walking through the exact client experience when a request or quote arrives via Jobber, so you know what they see, what they can do, and how to guide them with confidence. First, head to your email inbox and open the message that contains the request or quote. This is typically sent automatically after the business creates it. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute and check your spam or promotions folders. The email will include a summary and a clear call to action, so it's easy for clients to get started. Next, click the View Quote button in the email. That opens the quote in the Client Hub in your web browser. This page is designed to be simple and mobile-friendly. Before approving, take a moment to review the line items, pricing, and any notes or terms the business included. If anything looks off, you can step back and follow up with the business before moving forward. On the quote page, you'll see clear options to approve or reject the quote. For this walkthrough, choose Approve so you can see how that works. Approving here tells the business you're ready to move ahead. You'll be prompted to type your name. This acts as your electronic signature and confirms you're approving the work exactly as shown. Enter your full name as you want it to appear on the approval, then continue. Click Approve to finalize. You should see a confirmation message that your approval went through. The business is notified automatically, and you'll typically receive a confirmation email as well. If you want to keep a record, you can revisit the quote from the Client Hub anytime. From here, it's helpful to explore the rest of the Client Hub navigation. Click Requests to view any work requests you've submitted or that are pending action. This is a great place to check status without sending an email back and forth. Select Appointments to see any upcoming or pending visits. You'll usually see the date, time, and service details, so you know exactly what's scheduled and what to expect when the team arrives. Open Invoices to review any invoices associated with your account. You can see what's outstanding and what's been completed, along with details for each invoice. It's a simple way to keep your billing organized in one place. Finally, look for the Refer a Friend option. If someone you know could use these services, you can share their details or pass along the link so they can get started easily. That's the complete client view of a request in Jobber. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.